Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and your loadout, update Flashpoint, confirm the mod build, and equip any high-voltage interaction gear. Once done, head directly to the known quad lightning spawn zone and clear nearby threats so you have space to manipulate spawns. Make sure to carry required consumables and a reliable transporter item to reposition quickly. This initial push sets the stage for controlled spawns and gives you the timing advantage you need to force the first lightning instance. Now you trigger the sequence. Activate the primary device and immediately deploy charge multipliers or proximity baits to bias where strikes land. Once the first bolt hits, time your pulses and reposition to ensure overlapping radii. The goal is to force sequential spawns into a tight cluster. Keep an eye on cooldowns and use mobility tools to close gaps between impacts. The reason this works is that overlap increases spawn probability, and the engine tends to favor concentrated energy events. Finish by synchronizing a final pulse with your positioning so the fourth bolt lands inside the existing cluster. Press the trigger, then immediately use a rapid reposition or stun to freeze entities that can disrupt timing. Once the quad appears, secure loot or objectives quickly. If you don't get 4 strikes, reset. Move away far enough to force a despawn, clear nearby entities that steal spawns, wait 1 full spawn cycle, and repeat the exact timing. Small timing adjustments often fix missed quads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.